What happens in the mind of con artists? What makes their brain so well equipped for psychological trickery? Is it greed? A lack of empathy? Loose morals? Whatever it is, we are fascinated by con artists. We've all been lied to. We've all been offered something that is just too good to be true, and still we fell for it. To find out how to resist the manipulation, we invited some of the greatest con artists to our institute. Together with a team of experts, we are going to analyze their stories, pick their brains, and reveal what their body language tells us. Welcome to the Institute.